What's up, y'all? My name's Bill, and this is how I do it. Today, I'm coming back at you with another episode of Tiny Engine Tuesday. If you don't know, that's where we work on small engines on Tuesdays. Simple as that. But today, I'm working on the Stihl fs80 weed trimmer, real popular weed eater from yesteryear. Customer brought it in today, says it's not running, he can't get it crunk up, he don't know what's going on with it. And I told him, this is what I'm here for. This is how I'm doing it. So we about to work on this thing. And first thing I want to do, I want to verify that we have spark and everything's working okay. I'm gonna give it a little shot of that hot sauce. I know a lot of people say you don't supposed to do that, but a little tiny bit is not gonna hurt anything. And if you want to, you can throw a little oil in the cylinder that makes you feel comfortable, but I'm not gonna do that. Spray a little bit in there just to see if it fires off, and we'll go from there. I want to see if it has any gas in it. And it does have some gas in it. No telling how old it is, though. So, I'm just gonna take out this air cleaner. Check out this air filter. Man, you can tell. I actually cleaned a lot of this up. You can tell these things have been rolled hard and put up wet. So, I'm giving it a little shot. See what we got. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, verify we got this on start. Everything's good. And I'm just gonna pull the string on it. So I get this in the view a little bit better. Right there. Oh, they verified it right there that we gotta have spark. But you notice it didn't keep running, so that means we got a fueling issue. That's simple. More than likely, man, guy probably used ethanol, gas, let it sit up for a while. I think he said because you see he got a special holding apparatus on here where they can hold it while they weed eat. I think this guy's been using this as a commercial unit. It's not residential, so this thing's been seeing a lot of use. So first thing that I'm going to do, man, I'm just going to take off this carburetor and check out, see what's going on. Held on by two. It's 5/16 bolts. So let's get these off. These two off. Comes off like that. Little choke lever here. It's a choke mechanism, kind of cool. All right, got that off. Then you got this plate. The carburetor should come out as one. Okay, got the gaskets here. Gasket even tells you that this is the top portion. Cool. And got the gasket on this old carburetor here. I see it has the throttle cable on this side over here. I don't know if you can see that on there. But the throttle cable's up under here. I'm trying to see, I was hoping not to have to take off this cover. And I don't think I will. The only thing that's kind of holding it is the throttle. So I think I'll be able to get that off without pretty much no trouble. Yeah. Oh shit. Gas everywhere, line busted. Old gas, damn, this gas real old. You can see it varnished real bad. But that line busted. Oh, let's rip that on off. That one broke off too. I'm not too worried about it. Replace all that. But it's off. I wonder if it got a gasket back there. Yeah, there it is. A gasket back here too. So cool. And all the gaskets are in place, so I know where they go. This is like the OG carburetor too. It is. Yeah, it's the original carburetor. I'll probably keep that and get a rebuild kit for it. Get our long needle nose, and I'll get our fuel bulb out. Well, that came out. There goes our filter. Oh, this is supposed to be on the gas tank. I mean the gas cap. It's a keeper. It's a gas cap keeper, but it's broken. Also fit in here. It might work at some point. Get it out. Alright, the fuel feed line. I just pull this out. Well, alright, there it is. It's old, it's nasty, it's done. But there it goes. Get out this old gasket. Let's remember how it's put in here. First of all, let's look at the new carburetor, because I don't know, sometimes these things be missing gaskets, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at it now. New gas cap and filter. New carburetor, of course. Just like the old one. Oh man, it's just like the old one. Okay. Got a new air filter. In fact, got this style air filter as well. Ooh, and I see it's missing. It's missing that green. It's missing that green gasket. I'm glad I didn't take that off. That's why I checked it. Comes with these two, but it doesn't come with that one. Ooh, glad I checked that. Ooh, I was about to give a glowing review of this thing till right then, but it's all right though. They got just about everything else, so I'm all right with that. All right, so let's see if we can clean this up a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and put our new carburetor on here. All right, now we're gonna check out our new lines. They seem a lot bigger than the old ones. I think it's really just the fuel just done shrunk them. No, that's the main fuel line right there. So we're just gonna cut these to length. And I really just use my old fuel line for the length. And try to get it from the top side and bring it out. Hold up, I got an easier way to do this. Yeah, now I just take this plug and just fill it through. And boom. I can grab that, pull that through. Now I'm just gonna pull this through the gas cap And this way I can put my filter on real easy. Just like that. Boom, and I can just toss that back off in there. And it'll go where it needs to go. Boom. That's one line in there. Now I can take my other line and do the same thing. And boom, that one's ready to go. All right, so now we can get ready to put our carburetor back on. Boom, boom. Carburetor go on this side like this. Boom, boom. Just like that. We got our throttle cable. Then we got our main fuel line right here. I know you can't see it on that camera. Gonna put this back on. Bam. Tell you what, I don't really like that fitment of that one. Cause it kind of goes down, so let's roll that line off and come back from this angle. Alright, boom, boom. Oh, that's on there. And now we got this plate. This gasket back on. Nothing right there. Bam. Alright. Put this on. Like so. We got our gasket. Like so. We got everything else on here. Where's that? There it is. Got our cover. Got our two nuts. Two nuts right there. Oh, go ahead. And hit them. Alright. Got that on. Already got that on. Now we're gonna put our new gas cap on. That's pretty neat. Comes with a new gas cap. Alright, we're gonna put some gas in this thing, prime it up. I'm using this kind right here. Alright, that to the side. Put in our new air filter. Cool. Air filter cover. Boom. Got the choke on. Let's see if we can get us some gas up here on the primer bulb. There it goes. Alright, got this bad boy set to start. Let's get it. There it goes. There it goes. Forgot to put the throttle on. I knew it was something. Hold up. Gotta redo this shit. Gas cap in. Hang it back up. Filter back on. Turn the cover on. All right, now got set to start. Prime bulb ready. Let's get it. Choke it. All right, now. Oh, let's give it some more gas, man. Alright, so we might have to do some adjustments on the carburetor. Let's adjust the low side. Open it up some. Address the throttle right now. There it is. Winter time, I don't have nothing to weed eat, but I don't have any string in here, but there you have it, man. We got this weed eater good and going. It needs some string in it. I'm not gonna put any string in it. It'll be all right. And well, recap what we did today. We had a fueling issue. What we did, we replaced the carburetor and we replaced the lines and the filter. I haven't changed the spark plug out. I'll probably change that before I give it back to him. And that's about this wraps this up. So this is how I do it.
Hey, come outside. Let's hear it.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you, subscribe. Okay, let's hear it.